Welcome back. Joining us this morning, Jasmine Kyle from the SEK Humane Society with one of the cutest little puppies you'll ever meet. This is Mabel.
Yeah, good morning. So this is Mabel, and as you can see, she is the sweetest, most cutest, calmest puppy that we have had in a very, very long time. So Mabel and her brother Sarge, about a month ago, were found outside of our facility, taped up in a box, unfortunately. Upon getting the kids out, we soon realized that they couldn't walk. They had swimmer syndrome. So swimmer syndrome is an uncommon developmental deformity that can happen in puppies from time to time, where basically their hind limbs will become splayed out, right? So the only way that you can treat that is by taping legs up, putting them in a harness, or lots of physical therapy, which is what our staff have been doing. And about a week and a half ago, when we had that first snowfall here in Pittsburgh, we took the kids out to experience snow for the first time. And lo and behold, they just started walking and running and then jumping. So we have been monitoring them, and they are officially available for foster to adopt right now with our organization.
So how old are they at this point?
Yeah, they're almost 3 months of age. So with them going into foster to adopt care, we have to follow Kansas Department state guidelines. So any fosters that are interested in adopting from us have to live within 30 miles of the shelter, just in case there's an emergency, have to live in the state of Kansas, and be 18 years of age. And you don't have to come out to our shelter to fill out that form. It's on our website, the SEKHumaneStudy.com. Just on your application list that you're interested in Mabel or Sarge or both of them, just so we can keep our eyes out. But
It'd be great if we could keep them together. Speaking of siblings getting adopted together, you have great news from our dogs that the dog you brought on last time.
Yeah, so Mason, that big old Great Dane, our sweet big boy, him and his brother Dixon got adopted together into a home, which is huge for Great Danes because they take up so much room. So that was a truly magical moment for our shelter to see the boys go home together once again.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Okay, so we have a big event coming up on Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah.
It's something you guys do every year.
Yep.
Don't really have time to get into all the details for it, but we can give a little teaser for it, and then we'll come back and talk about it later on.
Yeah, so it is our largest fundraiser that our organization does every year. It is the 45th annual chili dinner event. 500 pounds alone of chili we make from scratch. 350 pounds of that is meat alone. It is a whole day of cooking. A lot of volunteers come in for this event, and we need the hands right now. We're gearing up.
Okay, so mark your calendars. This is going to be coming up on Super Bowl Sunday. They'll take care of the cooking for you, so you don't have to for your big event. But in order to find out more about it, you're going to switch on over with us on Fox 14, and we'll have all the details about when and where and how you can help out with the event when we have you back.
Sounds good.
All right, and of course we'll have Mabel again.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.